Ako si Laika, 18 years old mula sa bayan ng Luna, lalawigan ng La Union.
I know this day will come. Naalala ko pa noon nung kakagraduate mo sa India.
And we're both so proud of you. College will be a big stepping stone for you. And I know naghirap ka. Bigo at pawis ang ginugulo. And now you're here.
Thank you po.
Tingin mo makakayanin ka yan.
Oo, makakaya niya yan. You know, she's been independent. That's why I trust her. Kaya niya yan.
Yes, I know she will.
Now it's time for you to spread your wings. If may problema ka man hinaharap, don't hesitate to call us, okay?
Opo, I'll take your advice too. Group hug.
At dahil sa kagustuhan kong maabot ang aking mga pangarap, I decided to go to the city and there I will start my journey as a college student with my unbounded commitment, persistence, and determination.
Hi, Laika! Pasok ka!
Thank you.
Hey, Janelle! This is Laika. Are you bored me? Hello, thank you pala sa pagtulong mo, Raima. I can pray to you. No problem, Laika. I can't believe I finally did it. It's going to be great having you as my roommate. For sure, napagod ka kanina sa biyahe. Magpahinga ka muna.
Alright, you too. Thank you. Today, I already arrived at my boarding house. It's not that spacious, but I think I have a very nice roommates, Raima and Janelle. I hope we'll get along soon. I'm so excited now for the first day of school. I'm hoping to get to know a lot of people tomorrow and make a lot of friends as well. That's all for tonight. Gotta go na. Good night.
Hey Mark,
Hi, Laika.
how's your first day going?
Pretty good actually. Are you heading to the library?
Oh yes, I'm going to pick a company. I'm so sorry I'm having a hard time finding a building here in our company.
Oh, okay, sure. Hi guys! Guys, this is Laika. Okay lang ba yung sumama sa atin today?
Sure, thank you. Tara, tara.
Tara lang.
Alam mo, digital na pala ngayon yan. True.
Paano yan?
Ilagay mo na yung ID number.
Taas?
enter.
Enhance your knowledge and extend your adventurous soul, navigating your journey with Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University, Mid La Union Main Library. With comfortable study area, free access to TeamSU computer, and librarians assist you to help and guide your journey through library. Visit and explore your world, embarking your journey at TeamSU MLOOC Library. Whether you're into fiction, non-fiction, research studies, novels, and there's a lot for everyone.
I'm jealous na para naman yung curriculum sa kapila ng para sa... By the way, Claire, Kat, it's me. Nice to meet you. Bye-bye. Nalamang ka.
Hey, Laika, let's play a game.
Janelle, kanina at nag-aaral ako here.
Just one round lang, please.
Fine, I'll play. ML, open na ako.
Sige, sige.
Invite na kita.
Sige.
Gosh. Wait na. Samid.
Sige.
Ulit. Yan na ako, wait.
Wait lang, naglalag ako. Asan ka na?
Hindi dyan, wait lang.
Sige, papunta na.
Shit, wala pa akong nakalakas-lakas dito.
Patay. Try ka na? Ako rin.
Pwede sa'yo.
Sis, nasa mid ako. Go. Ay!
Nice game, Laika.
Nice game, Janelle. Hala, anong oras na pala? Mag-review na ulit ako. I had fun, Janelle.
I had fun too, Laika. Sige,
Sure.
review well.
Ang dami naman na ito. Oops. Sheesh. What this? Huh? Kala na naman.
Go, 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 mid. Hindi dyan.
Action.
Good morning, Laika.
Good morning, Sarah.
Ano yan? Anong nangyari?
Hala, maybe I just bumped into something.
Okay, if you need anything, just let me know.
Sure, Sarah. Papasok ka na?
Oo, ikaw ba?
Mamaya na lang.
O sige, mauna na ako.
Sige, ingat ka.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Laika!
Uy, hi Gerald.
Uy, Laika, tara dito ka.
Uy Gerald, no need, may gagawin pa kasi akong assignment. Kailangan ko kasi gawin yun or else bagsak talaga ako.
Ha? Ganun ba? Sige, galingan mo ah. Bye!
Uy, ano ka ba? Bakit ko naman tinatawag yun? Eh, hindi naman natin ka-close yun.
Bakit? Ano naman mali sa kanya?
Eh, bakit ka nakikipag-close? Hindi natin siya makita.
Gusto ko lang naman makipagkali sa kanya. Look like an easygoing person naman.
Baliw ka ba? Sip-sip ka, girl.
No.
Wala sa friends natin ang pagiging sip-sip.
True! I don't care kung anong gusto niyong sabihin sa kanya. I just want to be your friend. Guys, can't you be nice to her? Ang attitude niyo.
I felt disregarded at school. Parang hindi ako belong sa mga circle of friends. Bakit ganun? Mabait naman sila nung una. Ewan ko ba? Kaya I chose to play online games just to have a temporary comfort to my loneliness.
Laika? Good day. Kamusta ka? Are you still feeling dizzy?
Alam ko po, Dok, baka stress lang po ako since marami po akong mga deadline sa school.
So, what are the symptoms you're feeling lately? Nagkakasakit ka ba? Napupuyat ka ba?
Frequently po nagkakasakit po talaga ako and nagpupuyat since marami nga pong do na activities sa school.
It's because we saw abnormalities sa blood mo. So, I suggest na pumunta ka na sa hospital. This might be a big problem to you kasi possible na cancer to sa blood. So, the causes are fatigue, exposure sa radiation, and pagpupuyat.
And they might suggest you to undergo chemotherapy.
Chemotherapy sa dulo? Opo. Mga nasa magkano bang aabot yun?
As far as I know, umaabot ng 120,000 or umaabot din siya ng 1 million.
1 million per dose?
Yes, unfortunately, umaabot pa siya ng more than 1 million. 1 million po. Wala po kasi kami mapagkukunan ng ganun kalaking halaga. Naghihirap din po kasi yung pamilya ko. And libre na rin po kasi ako sa school kasi para kung maraming may mga ayaw sa akin. Kaya hindi ko po alam kung saan ko pupulutin ako. So, if you are facing such problems, there are some orgs na matutulungan ka in terms of financial. Charities might help you. And I also suggest na magpunta ka sa psychiatrist na ito. Okay, so you don't have to pay. She's helping you in every problem you face.
Si Dr. Julie po?
Yes, po.
Thank you, Doc.
Okay, so you're ready to go home, and here's your paper if you're planning to visit us.
Maraming salamat po, Doc.
After I knew about my condition, I am deeply disheartened and shattered into pieces. All my hard work was gone. But looking back to the things I've done, I realized that maybe I totally deserved it. I abused my body and I used gadgets excessively that my rest and sleep were sacrificed. What should I do? What would I do now?
Good morning, ma'am. I will be your psychiatrist for today. So, I want you to treat this office as your safe place. Huwag kang mag-alala kung ano man yung pag-uusapan natin dito is hindi makakalabas. Kumusta ka? I hope you can share something na makakatulong ka din.
I don't know how to move forward. Parang everyday kasi ako nag-struggle. I'm always doing my best naman, pero I always end up disappointing myself. And ngayon, knowing na may sakit ako, paano ako? Paano yung mga pangarap ko? Growing up, Doc, I've always wanted to be a doctor. Pero parang ako nag-give up na rin kasi yung mga pangarap ko. Bakit ako? Ginagawa ko naman yung mga mabubuti and always making my parents proud. Lagi rin ako nakaka-achievements. Pero bakit ako? Bakit ako? As I've said, I've always made my parents proud. Lagi rin ako yung mga achievements. Kasi paano yung mga pangarap ko? Bakit ako yung naghihirap ng ganito? Bakit sa dinabi-dami ng tao, bakit ako? Ang daming mga taong masasama, mga criminal. Like, hindi naman sa... Tok, maging mabait naman kasi ako. Bakit ako?
You have big dreams. You've worked hard for it. And alam ko na you have many things to do with them. Life is not unfair. Alam natin yan. Growing up, alam ko you work hard on a lot of things. And I want you to know na hindi ka nag-isa. Hindi mo kailangan sa lahat. You have me as your psychiatrist. And I want you to know na yung moha mo is normal. Your feelings are valid. Your cries are valid. I want you to know na yung mga luha mo, yan ang mga words na ginagamit ng puso mo para i-express yung nararamdaman mo. So, it's okay to cry. You will overcome this struggle. I want you to come back here. Mabalik at mabalik ka dito. Bibigyan kita ng plan so that you will overcome this. Alalahanin mo na hindi ka nag-iisa. We will get through this together.
I knew that going through these things are hard right now, but I am hopeful that I can find silver lining in them. I've been through a lot since the beginning of this journey, and here I am, still striving to venture the future I had no idea with. My illness and whoever or whatever may come in my way will be conquered now that I've learned and found people that pushes me to be optimistic and strong always. All things will pass, and I will definitely see that with a smile on my face. This is my story, yours truly, Laika Barsaga.